What's happening, guys? Adam Radzer here from Factory BJJ. This is video 2 in a basic balance board technique series. If you've not seen our balance board yet, this is it. We worked with Swifty Fitness, a local company who creates some great products fitness-wise and also some really cool scooters. So do check them out, and the links are in the description below. If you didn't see the first video, we covered some of the basics of how we get onto the board, how we were able to kind of keep a nice posture, how we can keep our balance and our positioning, and then we can start to add in things like the low squat, which is what we looked at last time, and today we're going to talk about changing our stance. So, first things first, like we said on video 1, if you are kind of new to working with the balance board, make sure that the majority of the board is on the floor, and then we just start to tease our position upright, so into this tipping point. So don't be doing anything huge in terms of big movements, because you might injure yourself. Second thing, I like to do this barefoot. My day job is teaching Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, so for me, I'm much more comfortable training without socks on, and also it just allows you to make sure you've got a good natural grip with the board rather than having any kind of sliding or any kind of and if you've got sweaty feet or anything, you might end up slipping. So that's my advice on the basics. So once we're in this position, we're able to kind of keep the balance, soft knees, nice and relaxed. Just make sure you're able to kind of keep a good rhythm with it and adjust as you need to. So what we're going to be talking about is this position here where we're in this staggered stance, but we're going to be in line with the board. Okay, so very different in terms of muscle groups that it's going to work. Actually a little trickier than it looks. So there's 2 ways you kind of get into that stance. The first one is once you kind of get up on the board, we can start to switch from here. My front foot changes, my back foot changes, and then we're able to kind of go back and forth like so. Or we can actually just go straight into it from here. So if you've ever seen like surfers or skateboarders when they kind of drop in on the ramp, very similar entry, okay? I'm not a surfer, I'm not a skateboarder, but I actually find this a little bit more difficult to do, but if you've got that kind of experience, it might suit you. So then from here, I kind of rock up, get the tip, and then from here we can start to go back and forth, okay? Now, same as we did last time, we can start to lower our level a little bit. We can start to kind of play around with the back and forth. But ultimately, as always, if the board does start to get out of your control a little bit, just let it fall and then go again. So, same again, if I go to it from this position here, my knees are going to be nice and soft. I get the balance, I start to switch, and then from here, you can have a lot of fun with it. A little bit more like, feels like I'm surfing a wave or something. But I can start to lower my level again, my hands are out of balance. Again, it will start to fall. Just let it fall, and we can start to change and start again. So same position. If I want to go in from this entry, don't be doing anything too sudden. I just go nice and slow. I'm into the position, back and forth. Nice soft elbows, nice soft knees. And then from there, I can start to switch and go back, okay? Again, look, I'm a Jiu-Jitsu black belt, but I'm definitely a white belt when it comes to the balance board. And I'm still having, a hell of a lot of fun with this. And I know you guys will too. Just start to play around with it, put your own kind of connections together, build your own little patterns. And look out for some of the videos we're going to be doing soon on some other little exercises and little kind of tricks and stuff we can do on this. Hope you're enjoying the board if you've just bought one. If you've not, get off the fence. Great bit of kit to add into your kind of training kit. Use the code FACTORYBOARD10 and you'll get a 10% discount as well at the moment. Alright, thanks for all the support on this, guys, and the reshares. I'll see you next time on another video.